This is the soul food, okay?
Mario Market.
This is where you come in
Vegas, Nevada.
and get you some good old soul food. Right here. Look at that macaroni and cheese. Look at that. See the cabbage there, man? Oh, my.
No time for your body, body, oh, body. Girl, I love you the way you are. Oh, you give me vibes, you make me crazy. Oh, give me life, make me crazy. Oh, and you're never late, you're always on time. Give me light, you give me sunshine. Baby bad, oh baby bada. Baby bad, oh baby bada. Take it to my mom and I take it to my bada.
They're around my doing barbecue pit and shit. Look at that. These damn bulls and cows come around my property. Ooh, I can't stand it. They're not my friend.
Get your ass away from me. Go away. Get your ass away from my plane. Go now. Get your goddamn ass away from my plane. This is Cowgirl Gina. Get away from here. Get your ass away from here. Now. Go. Yeah. Cowgirl Michelle. She is working her tail off. She is working her tail off. She's doing such a magnificent job.
Oh my God.
Look what she...
They always show up when I'm gone. Hey, Cowgirl Gina. Hey, Cowgirl Gina. This is the next one I'm going to cook for you guys. This is the next recipe. It is out of turkey. So, it's going to be like a turkey. And we're going to put it over some rice. I'm going to show you how to make that. So, I have all the ingredients to go with it. But I'm not going to... We'll display it in the next few days. And I hope you try it out. Enjoy it. It's a good dish. Tomatoes and all those good vegetables and stuff in it. It's a soul food recipe. A Cowgirl Gina soul food healthy recipe. And it's light in sodium. And you can enjoy it without making you sick. And remember, my philosophy is make it yourself. And be happy that you did. Share it with your friends that go into competition. And enjoy. It's healthier when you cook it yourself. And share it among friends. And it makes the body feel good inside and out. Have a great day. And I'll see you guys shortly. Next recipe coming up this week. In March. That's right. It's the month of March. Thank you. Bye. Hey, Cowgirl Gina. I forgot to cook you guys a cake. And it's a cheap one too, but I didn't make it myself. I got it from a box. It's called Duncan Hines. But I did tweak it a little bit. Instead of the regular eggs, I use egg whites. This is the brand, guys. It's the lemon one. See that right there? That's the one we cooking. I'll get back with you later. This cake is ready to come out of the oven.